Okay, so interestingly, overlanding has started to become a really big thing in America. I'm standing in front of a Land Cruiser, the Australian icon, because I'm going to do a very, very quick tour of what they perceive overlanding to be. Of four-wheel driving, off-roading to anyone that's not American. There's some really interesting shit here, which I'm sure will filter back to Australia in time. Let's go check some of it out. Alright, so things like this is nothing new to Australia, because this is the size that we get. However, that isn't. With the bigger trucks, you can start to go a little bit more wild. So that is an automatic lid opener for the bed, and then you've got your rooftop tent on top, glamping, as a good friend used to call it. That is how you get around. Let's talk about some of the weirdest setups. Yo, what? Not really sure what happens here. Let's take a look. Okay, so that's permanent. Oh, I see, so it folds out. So that's the hinge, just there, folds out. Yo, that is wild. Do we get this in Australia yet? Someone sound off in the comments, please. And then, of course, the Americans have to go big, so this is the fuel truck with everything that they do on it. You wouldn't want to be drunk getting into that tent, which is what 90% of Australians are when they head up into their rooftop tent after camping. You need a friggin' harness to go up that, wouldn't you? OH&S coming at you. Not gonna lie, if I ever moved to America, it would be because these, I just love this shit, eh? This is just so over the top, just ridiculous. Damn. And on the subject of over the top, they're of course also doing trailers over here. This one's just a simple one. Folds out to a bed, you got the fridge. And everyone loves here. Absolutely loves them. To show you this, it's going to be because of my camera, but that is an air tank on the roof attached to a custom aluminium plate, so you can attach more things onto the roof. Sliding window, instant air. Also, it's on an old school cruiser. Yes! So that was just a short tour of America's overland section. Australians, you're the experts here. Sound off down below, tell me what you think. And I really hate the word overland. Americans, can we learn to call it off-roading or forby, just something else other than overland? Please. Anyway, that's it for this episode. Real short one, but I wanted to take you around the overland section because I really think you all need to see this. Until next time.